Hello guys and welcome back to another Bitcoin update. Today I'm gonna show you that the volume indicator is suggesting our possible bottom and is imminent for a breakout to the upside. So stick with me. So we can notice that when we had this top last year in about February to May, we can notice that the volume decreased dramatically and formed this U-shaped pattern. Also, we had the same price action and volume was the same when we reached this potential top. So on the flip side, on the opposite side, when we were in accumulation mode from May till July of last year, let me make another circle with different color here, make it blue. So we can notice what in this moment there was a spike in volume in that period of time. So the same spike here, we can notice that we have the same type of spike here. So is this our bottom here? The volume indicator suggests that. For me, what I'm seeing and relating on the price history and the volume history, this is our bottom for Bitcoin. And what can we expect? If we actually break to the upside, which for me the indicator is suggesting that, we should see again a bottoming of the volume while going up again for another all-time high. Okay, so for me, this is my prediction in the coming weeks, maybe months. But of course, months, I predict that we would be here. But in the coming weeks, I think, based on this indicator, we'll break the 45k area and starting our trajectory to the upside. So see you on the next one.